Hey guys, and welcome to Bustle Puzzle. Wishing you all a very happy belated Diwali. So this year my Diwali went on very special because my friends had joined me. I was at my grandparents' place. I had a very fun time. So after brushing and stuff, our grandmother kept oil on our head and we were just seeing everybody's dresses. The pink one was my sister's and the white and blue one is mine. So after both of us took a head wash, it was around 10:20 and this was the dress that I was wearing on Diwali. So after eating breakfast, we went for some shopping. Then after we went home, we had seen our grandmother had made gulab jamuns. They were so delicious. We loved them so much. Then my grandfather bought us a big box of crackers. The box itself was so big. Inside there were many crackers. We almost finished the whole box, including the next day of Diwali. So immediately we went and started bursting crackers around 5 o'clock. So I guess the time would have already been around 7:30 or 8 by the time we all got tired of bursting crackers, and there was a movie going on inside, so we just went in and started watching the movie. Just like that, the day got over. Then the next day, all of us, including our friends, we all went to this fort nearby. The fort's name was Jinji Fort. So guys, this Chenji fort was originally built by the Konar dynasty around 1190 AD. It was later modified by the Chola dynasty in the 13th century. So the reason why they elevated it was to protect the small town of Senji. The fort was also built as a strategic place of fending off invading armies. This site is so fortified that the Maratha king Shivaji ranked it as the most impregnable fortress in India. So the mountain had almost 100 to 200 steps. It was not more than that. The steps were kind of steep in the beginning. Like in the first 10 steps or like around 20 steps, everybody got that tired. Everybody was searching for water. We had got only 3 bottles of water for 8 people. So it was kind of less. So we made our first pit stop, took some water, enjoyed the view, and then we started heading up. So we still had like so many steps to complete to reach the top. We thought it would be around 500 steps, but then it was not that much. Then we climbed this big rock. We climbed and took photos on. So this was how it looked from the top of the rock. Then when we finally reached the top, this is how the view was. It looked really amazing. It was like we could see the whole place from up. As we ventured inside, we found these pillars that looked really ancient, and they were actually very beautiful with all those carvings. So in this fort you can actually climb and see whatever place you want. So we had this small opening, so everybody just jumped through that opening. So and then we reached the top of this place. So over here you could see all those temple structures. So you could see actually that lot of those very ancient stuff. It was like a wonderful place to go. Actually, there were two mountains. We thought this was the this was not the main. This was not the main mountain. The other one was on the other side. We didn't go over there. So if you see, guys, these are some very old paintings. We just spotted one, and I wanted to cover it. We went around the fort. I mean, I don't think this was the exact fort we were supposed to go to, but whatever was there on this mountain, we went to all the places. We had a very, very fun time here. You should also come here and try it out if you are very close. So here are some photos, guys. So I hope you liked this video and all the photos. Wishing you again a very, very happy belated Diwali. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Bye.